I'm Jacqueline and welcome to Timeless Beauties. My videos are typically all on style and makeup, but today I have a special treat for you. It's going to be a little different. I'm actually going to be sharing with you some music. So this is from me to you. I'm uploading on July the 4th. We just celebrated our July the 1st Canada Day, and a lot of the Americans are celebrating July the 4th today. So I hope you stay tuned, and I would love for you to listen, and I'm going to be introducing to you my son, who is a musician. So I hope you stay tuned. Hi, so I want to introduce you to my son. This is Alex, and he's a singer-songwriter here in Canada, and he has his songs played on the radio here. But for your enjoyment today, he's going to sing a song for you that he wrote, and just recently we got notified he will have this being played in L.A. So I hope you enjoy.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is my song called Love in L.A. that I'm going to play for you, so I hope you guys enjoy. I met her on Sunset, never seen a better body in a sundress. Said, baby, what's your name? Cause it would be a shame if I would've let you walk past. So let's go to whiskey, a couple of shots to a tipsy. Say, this is kinda crazy and I forgot your name, but I can't get enough of you. The way it feels every time that we lock eyes. I'm here, but your love, it takes me somewhere else. We fell in love in L.A. Ooh, la, la, la. We fell in love in L.A. Ooh, la, la, la. We fell in love in L.A. Oh, baby, we fell in love. Yeah, we fell in love in L.A. Ooh la la, yeah, I'm tryna get that ooh na na. The way that we vibe is one of a kind, but oh my God, I wanna hear you say, oh, you're coming home with me. So let go the brakes, there's no time to waste. I can't get enough of you. The way it feels every time that we lock eyes. I'm here, but your love, it takes me somewhere else. We fell in love in L.A. Ooh, la, la, la. We fell in love in L.A. Ooh, la, la, la. We fell in love in L.A. Oh, baby, we fell in love. We fell in love in L.A. Oh, no, we fell in love. Oh, we fell in love in L.A. We fell in love in L.A. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed that. Have a great day.
Thanks. Okay, ladies, I hope you enjoyed Alex serenading you a bit today. I just thought I would share a little bit of my son with you, being it's your July the 4th celebration today, and something special for you. So anyway, a little bit about Alex. He's been playing since he was 13 years old. He started playing the blues way back, and he did a lot of festivals when he was young. We traveled a lot with him, and now he's more into the R&B kind of sound, and he's just getting ready to set off on his tour in the next couple of weeks, and he's doing East Coast Canada and West Coast. And like I had mentioned, his song has been picked up by a radio station down in LA. It's actually Stevie Wonder radio station. Stevie Wonder owns it. So we were pretty excited about that. So I will put his his Instagram down below in the description if you're interested in taking a little more look at his work. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I just want to wish you guys again a very happy July the 4th. So take care, have a great day. Bye.